percentage is always the rate. Okay, sasabihin ng rate kung ilang percent yung percentage dun sa base. Now, kung titignan nyo sa problem, yung percentage natin, this is the whole. Yung kabuuan, yung total. Okay, yung base naman, okay, yung base is just part of, this is part of the base. Base is the whole.
Sabi na ka-video.
Okay? Now, paano mo nalaman kung base after the word of? Okay? After the word of. Okay, natin example. Searching page 310 a month for miscellaneous expenses after every calculation computed that this was 10% of this month's salary. How much was you earn each month? Okay, kung makapansin nyo, yung 10% rate na yun. Tama? So, tatantamang ko. Now, isipin mo lang kung ang hinahanap niya is base or percentage. Now, kaya lumalabas, yung 300